G'day DIY. If you've been watching me, I showed you how I squared up the room with a laser level, squared it off. I knew that my cuts were going to be about a 200mm cut, and then I go into the wardrobe. With these tiles, well, they're a 450 by 450 tile. They're about, say 6mm thick. So you've got to be careful. Always take your glue away from the edge. Being a thin tile, you still need to use a 12mm notchy for a floor tile when you're laying a floor. Don't go any smaller. But it gets a little bit tricky when you're laying a thinner. Most of the porcelain, these are just a ceramic, made in Australia. I reckon Australia can't make tiles, but anyway, thank goodness we don't see Australian made very often. Always take your glue away from the edge. With a thin tile like this, you will get glue coming up all the time, and that'll be your worst nightmare. So make sure you always trowel that edge to get the glue away from the edge of your tile. Like so, just like that. Pop your clip in, always still watching your lines. I don't have to use clips, but I reckon clips are the ultimate, so I won't. Like back in the day, I'd lay all this sort of tile, this sort of clip without clips. I'd lay this type of tile without clips, but I've just got to clip it up like that, and I know it's bang on. Holds it in place. It's a no-brainer. But that is a no-brainer as well, but you must do it. Get that glue away from the edge. Okay people, we'll see you soon. Bye.